Hello everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be on the mixed collections which I am going to show. Booking number is 9711952266. Please follow and like my page on Facebook and also join my WhatsApp group. Link is provided in the description box. If you're not able to view any link, just WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. I'll provide you the same. So please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel as well. So this will be a short video on the mixed collections which I'll show. So I'll starting off with some 2 to 3 skirts, then I'll proceed with the different article. So this one is a very beautiful skirt, you can see. So this is in net, there is a 2-layer net, and below there is a satin layer also. And this one, the size which will fit 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. बहुत ही प्यारा सा स्कर्ट है, and it's a lovely pink color. You can see lovely pink color. I have got 2 pieces in this of different sizes which I'll show it to you. ये lovely pink color में है. 26, 28, 30, 32, 34 for this. Very beautiful skirt in affordable price, just for 650. Free shipping you can get it for. बहुत ही यूनिक सा पीस है. So we have got one more piece in this. देखिए ये आपका प्लस थोड़ा बिग साइज में है. So this one, the size which will fit 34 to 44. 34 to 44 को आएगा. Very beautiful piece. 34 to 44 को आएगा. ठीक है, 34 to 44 को आएगा. This beautiful skirt, you can see. This is also of 650 free shipping. So whichever you want to book, just take the screenshot. For the smaller size, take the screenshot, and for the bigger size, take the screenshot. ठीक है, बहुत ही प्यारा पीस है, बहुत ही सुंदर. So this one again comes in a plated pattern. ठीक है, बहुत सुंदर पीस है, you can see. And this one, the size which will fit 34 to 42. The size which will fit 34 to 42. All are elastic pieces. ठीक है, all are elastic pieces. So 44 को भी जाएगा. 34 to 44 can go for this beautiful, from light dark shade till light shade. You can look this skirt. It's a beautiful skirt from light shade till dark shade, just for 650 free shipping. So here comes a very smart georgette top. Okay, ये आपका georgette top है. 40-42 को जाएगा. 40-42 को जाएगा. This is the print. This is the print. 40-42 को जाएगा. In just for 499 free shipping. ठीक है, ये सेल रेट पे दे रही हूँ. Just for 499 free shipping. 40-42 can go for this. 40-42 can go for this. You can wear like a shrug also, opening the button, or like this also you can go. ठीक है, ये कलर रहेगा. 40-42 for this piece. And below I have worn the pant. ये आपका जो पैंट है. So this one also you can combine with, because इसका जो साइज है 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. ठीक है, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36 waist. ठीक है, so both you can combine it also, because we have a bit of blue over here. So पैंट का भी प्राइस है आपका 499. ठीक है, पैंट का भी प्राइस है आपका 499. इसका मैंने सारे पीसेस सेल कर दिए. ओनली दिस पीस इज अवेलेबल, एंड दिस इज़ द पैटर्न. ठीक है, फैब्रिक आपका वैसा का वैसा ही रहेगा. देयर इज़ नो चेंजेस इन कलर, श्रिंकेज, नथिंग. ठीक है. So this comes in satin. It comes with the pocket as well. बहुत स्मार्ट सा पीस है. And this one, the size which will fit, the size which will fit 26, 28, 30. ठीक है, the size which will fit 26, 28, 30. Very smart piece, you can see. It comes with the pocket. 26, 28, 30, just for 499 free shipping. So this one is an inner. If anyone wants to take this inner, ये completely lycra cotton fabric में है. And the size which will fit 40, 42, 44, 40, 42, 44, हाँ 46, 40, 42, 44, 46. Completely lycra cotton fabric में है. Too good fabric. 499 free shipping में. क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसे ड्रेसेस होते हैं that it is still lying because आपने इनर नहीं खरीदा या कुछ. अगर छोटा करना है छोटा कर लीजिए, लंबा रखना है लंबा रख लीजिए. But it's a very premium fabric in 499 free shipping. And there is one very beautiful shrug. It's a free size shrug. ठीक है, बहुत प्यारा shrug है. Okay, look at this shrug. बहुत प्यारा सा shrug है this one. And this one, the size जो आपका आएगा from small से you can wear small से 44 small से 44-46 कैन गो, ठीक है। स्मॉल से 44-46 कैन गो। आप कोई भी ड्रेस डाले, कुछ भी डाले, अगर आपको थोड़ा सा ढकना है, जैसे स्लीवलेस है या कुछ और, अगर स्टाइल अप के लिए भी रखना है, यू कैन गो फॉर दिस। बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है, लवली कलर, 44-46 जस्ट फॉर small to 44, small to 44, just for 499 free shipping. So look at this smart dress, it's a very pretty dress, ठीक है। बहुत ही प्यारा सा ड्रेस है, जस्ट फॉर 699 फ्री शिपिंग में रहेगा। 699 फ्री शिपिंग फॉर दिस ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस। इट कम्स इन जॉर्जेट विद लाइनिंग, एंड इसका जो साइज़ है 34, 36, 38, ठीक है। इसका जो साइज़ है 34, 36, 38। वी हैव अ वेरी स्मार्ट बैक स्टाइल, ठीक है। बैक स्टाइल आपका ऐसे रहेंगे विद द बटन्स ओवर। सो आपका नेक, यू विल बी होल्डिंग द नेक लाइक दिस। ये भी आपका इलास्टिक है, ठीक है। सो 34, 36, 38 can go for this beautiful dress in 699 free shipping. So these were the collections for today. It's a short video, but I hope you like it. Please do share my video to your friend circle. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.